Alright guys, so today with Plan A, the car, that's our name for it, I'm going to be taking off both fenders, the bumper, the tail lights, and we're going to be working on the interior some, popping all of that out. As you can tell, I'm using a manual tool, I'm not using power tools. I'm going to stay true to my word and try and use the least amount of power tools that I can during this build, just to make it more realistic for any of y'all on a budget, because power tools can get really expensive really quick. So it's one of those things where, yes, it would speed it up a lot, but I'm trying to stay true to my word and keep that going. But that's kind of the plan for today, is just get the fenders off, get the bumper off, tail lights off, and work on the interior a little bit. So yeah.
What's coming after this? What step after this car? Steam cleaner.
The interior is going to take a lot of work, so the next step after doing the interior is still doing the interior, because it's seen better days. After this, I'm probably either going to Zaza the exhaust off or properly take it off, just because we are going to switch that out. But yeah, no, that's probably going to be the next step, is the exhaust. Also, remember guys, to always bag whatever parts you're doing and label it, so you can always keep track of your parts, because you don't want to end up losing some screws and have no idea where they go, or have screws at the end and have no idea what they go to. So always keep it in track and keep everything together.
Yeah.
No, literally all I did was I cut the thing, because there was no getting that out. You know, these wire cutters are becoming more and more useful. Clip out. So this is what it looks like right now, and I'll show y'all. And this is what it looks like after. I didn't get down here, so that's why it's so disgusting. But you can just see how much brake clean alone does. Obviously don't use it on your paint, but if you just need something like this where it's not really going to be seen, but you still want to clean it up so it looks better, then I would definitely use like brake clean or something like that. Then again, I'm not a mechanic. Don't take my recommendation as like a mechanic's recommendation. So throw that on there. Turn this.
You ever play Russian roulette, but all 6 bullets are in the gun? This is this right now.